Drawing with Ava. Hello little friends, Ava here. Welcome back to our channel for another amazing drawing. Have you got your pencil and paper? Let's get started. From now on we will draw and color the face of the fastest hedgehog in the world. Do you know who he is? You got it right. It's Sonic. Now get ready and let's go. Let's start drawing our Sonic by the right ear. We drew the details out of your pointy ear. We will draw the inner part of Sonic's ear. Very well. Now let's draw all the lines of Sonic's head. We'll start with Sonic's eyebrow line. We draw the line of the other ear of our hedgehog step by step very slowly. Sonic is the protagonist of a series of video games Sonic the Hedgehog, created by Sega. He is known around the world for his ability to run faster than the speed of sound, so he has that name. We drew the line that covers Sonic's entire head. Did you know that Sonic has a brave and determined personality? He is shown as a hero who fights the evil caused by Dr. Eggman. Let's keep drawing the lines of your hair. Keep drawing each line very slowly. Yes, very well. A curiosity about the character is that he has a skill called Spin Dash, where he can curl up in a ball and move at great speeds. I love Sonic. For the drawing to be perfect, just follow the lines and details of the character. We finished the hair. It's getting really good. Let's draw your nose right on the tip of Sonic's face. It was very easy so far. We also draw the details of your face. That's right. Our Sonic is starting to appear. Did you know Sonic has two friends? Tails and Knuckles? Tails is Sonic's best friend and helper. Knuckles, on the other hand, is a friend but also his biggest rival. Which of the two do you prefer? Leave in the comments and I'll bring his drawing later. Now we're going to draw Sonic's eyes. First we're going to draw the entire edge of the shells. We draw the left eye. And we draw his right eye. To finish we draw the line of your mouth with your unique smile. Wow! Have we finished our outline? It was beautiful. If you are enjoying the drawing so far, you can sign up now. That's great! Now let's paint. I have already separated the two colors that we will use to paint Sonic. Let's use the very strong blue color to dye all Sonic's hair. Did you know that during his many adventures, Sonic traveled from the ends of the world to the ends of space and time? He won many titles, allies, and also the contempt of various enemies. Sonic is known for his explosive temperament but strong sense of justice and love for freedom. I love Sonic. Remember to pay attention to detail to create a very realistic painting. It was very good. Now we will use the beige color to paint the details. First we paint the inner ear of our fluffy hedgehog. That's fine. To finish the painting of our Sonic, paint the details of your face. Keep painting very slowly. It's getting very good. Wow! Our Sonic is already complete. The character was beautiful. Sonic is my favorite game character. Friends, our drawing of Sonic was perfect. It is a very colorful and cheerful design. Drawing and painting with me is a really cool way to learn about Sonic. Congratulations! It was amazing! Thanks for drawing Sonic easy step by step along with me so far. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Now, you can leave a like in this video, and subscribe, so you do not miss any new design. I will always bring new designs here. A super Ava kiss and see you soon. Drawing with Ava.